Hello class, welcome back to your maths class. So kids, today we are going to start our exercise 10.1. Okay, we have started our chapter measurement of capacity. Okay, and in this chapter we have done a lots of activities. So now it's our turn to start the book exercise. Okay, so the chapter is measurement of capacity. Okay, measurement of capacity. ठीक है, तो which exercise we are going to start today? Exercise 10.1. We are going to start exercise 10.1. Now in this exercise 10.1, first question is fill in the blank to make equal measure on both the side. What you have to do? You have to make equal measure on both the side. Now कहने का मतलब क्या कि suppose अगर मैं एक example question लूँ, suppose this side I am having 500 milliliter. Okay, this side I am having 500 milliliter. Then equals to के this side I am having 200 milliliter. Now is this equal? Now suppose you have to add something to make it equal. Now tell me how you are going to balance both the side. ये दोनों साइड आप किस तरह से बैलेंस करने वाले हो? Tell me that. My question is 500 milliliter we are having this side. ठीक है, this side we are having 500 milliliter. This side I'm only having 200 milliliter. Now what I will add in 200 milliliter to get 500 milliliter, and once I will get 500 milliliter in this side also, then what happen? Both the side will get equal. So tell me 200 में what you will add to balance both the side? Now 2 में you will add 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. You will add 3. You will add 300. So here we have to add. At this place we have to add 300. 300 milliliter. Now see. 300 milliliter plus 200 milliliter. How much you will get? When you will add 300 milliliter and 200 milliliter, what you will get? You will get 500 milliliter. That means this side I will get 500 milliliter and this side also I will get 500 milliliter. So what happened? Both the side are equal now. दोनों साइड क्या हो चुके हैं? दोनों ही साइड इक्वल हो चुके हैं. Okay, now let us do a similar type of question. Before moving to the exercise, let us solve some example questions. Now next I am having 700 milliliter. Next question I am having 700 milliliter. And this side I am having 700 milliliter. This side I am having 200 milliliter and 300. Now again, अगर ध्यान से देखा जाए तो this side I am only having 300 milliliter. Now class, tell me one thing. What you will add in 300 milliliter to get 700 milliliter? What you will add in 300 milliliter to get 700 milliliter? Tell me. अगर क्वेश्चन को और सिंप्लीफाई करके मैं पूछूं तो मुझे ये बताओ अगर ये 100 है, if this is 100 and I'm having 300, now how many more circles do I need to make 700? Tell me, how many more circles do I need to make 700? Well, I will need 4 more circles. See, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600 and 700. That means in 300, I have to add these 4. Now similarly, 300 milliliter में आपने 400 और ऐड करना है, then only you will get 700. और तभी आपका इक्वेशन दोनों साइड क्या होगा, बैलेंस हो पाएगा. अच्छा ठीक है, but the problem is what, I am not having 400. Here I am having 200 and a multiplication sign. Now tell me, what you will multiply in this 200 milliliter to get 400? 200 milliliter में ऐसा क्या मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे कि we will get 400? Tell me, 200 मिलीलीटर में ऐसा हम क्या मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे कि we will get 400? Correct. So when we will multiply 200 into 2, we will get 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, 2 twos are 4. We have got 400. That means we have to multiply what? 3. I mean 2. We have to multiply 2. Okay. तो अगर मैम यहाँ पे 2 मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं, नाउ क्या होगा? 2 2 जा, I will get 400 plus 300. 400 milliliter plus 300 milliliter. Okay. Now 400 milliliter plus 300 milliliter. I will get 700 milliliter. Now what happened? My equation is now balanced. मेरा इक्वेशन दोनों साइड क्या हो गया है? अब बैलेंस हो चुका है. Because this side also I am having 700 and this side also I have got 700. Okay? Okay. Now example number 3. Now in next example, let's see. Next example I am having 800 milliliter. Okay. This time I am having 800 milliliter equals to into 200 milliliter plus 200 milliliter. Again, similar to the previous question. Do this question yourself. This question is very much similar to the previous question. So do this question yourself. Like right now, do it. Come on, do it. Completed? Do it better, do it fast. Okay. Come on, do it, do it. Yes, use your brain. Completed? Okay. Now see. 200 milliliter. So हमें 800 milliliter बनाना है. We are only having 200 milliliter. Now tell me, 2 में हम कितना ऐड करेंगे? करेंगे तो वी विल गेट 8. 2 में हम कितना ऐड करेंगे तो वी विल गेट 8. टेल मी. यस, when we will add 6 in 2 we will get 8. See, suppose I am having just 2. I want to make them 8. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800. So earlier I was having only 200. ठीक है, स्टार्टिंग में मेरे पास तो खाली 200 थे. अभी क्या 300 दिस साइड एंड 300 दिस साइड, दोनों साइड 600 मिले. तो हमें क्या चाहिए, हमारे पास यहाँ पे 200 तो है, वी आर हैविंग 200. वी नीड 6 more 100. अच्छा ठीक है, तो हमें ये तो पता चल गया कि हमें 6 और 100 की जरूरत है. तो जब हमें 6 और 100 की जरूरत है, तो ये बताइए यहाँ पे तो हमारे पास एक 2 है और एक मल्टीप्लाई का क्वेश्चन है. नाउ व्हाट यू विल मल्टीप्लाई इन 200 टू गेट 600. सपोज आई एम हैविंग हियर 200. Now what should I multiply here to get 600? Tell me. Well, I should multiply 3 here. So when I will multiply 3, I'll get 3 zeros are 0, 3 zeros are 0 and 3 twos are 6. Now 3. So what happened? Okay, now see, I have got 600 here. 3 twos are 600 milliliter and plus 200 milliliter. 600 milliliter plus 200 milliliter. Adding them together, what you will get? 6 plus 2, 800 milliliter. ठीक है, now what happens? See, both the side are equal now. That means our equation is balanced now. Both the side are equal. Here also I am having 800 milliliter. This place also I have got 800 milliliter. That means both the side are what? Both the side are equal. Okay, complete it. Do it fast. Yes, do it. Next question that I am going to give will be a bit difficult. Okay, so do it carefully. Do note down this question, then I am going to give you the next question. Okay, come on. Okay. Okay. Next question. Next question I am having. Okay, so next question I am having 2 liter equals to dash into 500 milliliter plus 1 liter. Now solve this question yourself. Come on, this question is a bit difficult, but I know you can solve it. Come on. Chalo, come on. Completed? Use your brain and solve this question like right now. Completed? See. अच्छा, तो यहाँ पे क्या है? This side I am having 2 liters. This side I am having 1 liter and 500 milliliter. तो let us convert. Let us do the conversion. ठीक है? तो we know that 2 liter is equals to how much? 2000 milliliter. ठीक है? तो we will write here 2 2000 milliliter equals to now here I'm having 1 liter, so I can convert 1 liter also ना, मैं 1 liter को भी convert कर सकती हूँ. तो when I convert 1 liter I will get 1000 milliliter. Okay. Okay. Now हमें 2000 मिलीलीटर बनाना है. मेरे पास है 1000 मिलीलीटर. That means मुझे अभी कितने मिलीलीटर्स की और जरूरत है? I need 1000 more milliliter. How come? See, 1000 मिलीलीटर तो मेरे पास है. इधर मेरे पास 1000 मिलीलीटर है. मुझे अभी 1000 मिलीलीटर की ही और जरूरत है ना, तभी तो मैं इन दोनों को प्लस करके 2000 मिलीलीटर बना पाऊंगी. गॉट इट और नॉट? समझ में आया? ओके. तो अब भाई 1000 तो दिया है. नाउ क्वेश्चन अराइजेस दैट व्हाट यू विल मल्टीप्लाई इन 500 मिलीलीटर. ठीक है, 500 मिलीलीटर में हाउ मच यू विल मल्टीप्लाई to get 1 liter? Tell me, 500 milliliter में आप कितना मल्टीप्लाई करोगे? Let us see. 500 milliliter multiply with 2. We will start with 2. 2 zeros are 0. 2 zeros are 0. 5 twos are 10. So we have got 1000 milliliter by multiplying 2 here. So इधर we will write 2. That means when we will multiply 502, we will get 1000 milliliter. Okay. Now see, multiplying these to 205, we will get 1000 milliliter. Here I am already having 1000 milliliter. Adding these two, I will get 2000 milliliter. Okay? और 2000 milliliter को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? We can write 2 liter. Okay? Now what happened? Both the sides are equal ना? Both the sides are equal. That means our equation is balanced now. Okay? Now note it down. Come on. Note down this question. Come on, do it. Completed? Okay. Now let us move ahead. Completed this. Now we will move ahead. Fine. So we have done lots of question based on example. है ना? We have done lots of question based on example. Now the next question we are going to do is your book exercise. Okay. So let us do. Okay, so here I am going to start exercise 10.1 with the first question. Now the first question says 1 liter equals to. Same question we have done right now. So the first question says 1 liter equals to 500 milliliter plus dash milliliter equals to dash into 500 milliliter. Now do it. Come on, solve it. I have just explained you how to do these questions. Come on. Completed? Okay, let us do. We are having, so 1 liter को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? We can write ना 1000 milliliter. Now tell me 1000 milliliter. Now tell me 5 में आप कितना ऐड करोगे? So you will get 10. 5 में how much you will add to get 10? 1 more 5. That means in 500 we will add 1 more 500. Okay, so here I have added 500 milliliter. 500 milliliter plus 500 milliliter. 1000 milliliter. And so here I am having 1 and 2. So 2 500 milliliter. So 2 500 milliliter, 2 into 500 milliliter. So 500 milliliter into 2. How much we will get? 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, 5 twos are 10. So 1000 milliliter. Both the sides are balanced now. Both the sides are balanced now. Okay. Completed? Note it down. Okay. Now I am going to erase the board. Moving towards the next question. Question number 2. Question number 2 we are having. This is a long question. Question number 2 is a kind of long question. So let us write. Question number 2 is 500 milliliter plus 200 milliliter plus 100 milliliter plus 100 milliliter and plus 100 milliliter. Now we have to balance it with this line, the line I am going to write. Dash into 500 milliliter plus dash into 200 milliliter plus dash into 100 milliliter. Now, and finally they have asked equals to, the both equation will be equal to how much liter. Come on, do this question yourself. Not that difficult question. You can solve it yourself. Come on. Completed? Just note it down and solve it. Very easy question. बस ये देखने में आपको ये question बड़ा लग रहा है. As the question is very easy. Completed? Now see, how many 500 milliliter can you spot here? In this whole line, how many 500 milliliter can you spot? 1. So here you will write 1. How many 200 milliliter can you spot in this line? In second line, how many 200 milliliter can you spot? 1. So you will write 1 here. Now how many 100 milliliter can you spot in this line? कितने 100 milliliter आपको यहाँ पे दिख रहे हैं? So I can see 1, 2, 3. So I write here 3. Now the real fun begins. So now I'm having 500 milliliter plus 200 milliliter and 300 milliliter. Adding them all, I will get 500 plus 200 is equals to 500 plus 200 is equals to 700 and plus 300 is equals to 10. So 5 to 7 plus 3, 1000 milliliter, and this is equals to 1000 milliliter, or we can call it 1 liter. So this is the whole question. Come on, note it down. Yes, come on, note it down. Completed? Okay, so ma'am is going to erase the board now. Now the next question. 3. 1 liter equals to dash into 200 milliliter. Now 1 liter को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? We can write 1000 milliliter. Now tell me कि आप 200 milliliter में ऐसा क्या मल्टीप्लाई करोगे that you will get 1000 milliliter. Tell me what you will multiply in 200 milliliter so that you will get 1000 milliliter. 2 के टेबल में 100 कितनी बार में 2 के टेबल में 10 कितनी बार में आता है बेटा? 5 times. So here you will multiply 5. Now see, 200 milliliter into 5 milliliter, you will get 5 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0, 5 twos are 10. 1000 milliliter. 1000 milliliter we have got. So we have got 1000 milliliter this side also, and we have got 1000 milliliter this side also. That means both the equations are equal now. So here we will fill 5. Okay. So kids, this is it for today, and tomorrow we will continue with the same exercise. Okay. Bye bye.